Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll see IMA groups, how to create IMA groups, how to create policies and how to attach policies to the IMA groups and the IMA users. So let's start the video. So in previous two videos we saw the concept of IMA users, then the how to create IMA users, how to attach existing policy, how to install AWS CLI. So in this particular video we are going to see how to create IMA groups, how to create policies and the how to add MFA device. So let's start the video. So I already inside my AWS account. So here you can see IMA is there. So let's click on this. So this is the dashboard of IMA service. Let's click on users. So let's create another user. So username demo2. Then they click on provide access. I want to create IMA user. Then the auto generate password you can keep. Okay. Then next, attach existing policy. You can attach one existing policy as a EC2, suppose EC2 full access. And next, create user. So user is created. Now click on users. What happened? Okay, you haven't downloaded. You can download it CSV file, but okay, currently I'm not downloading it. So two users are created. One is demo user and another user is demo2. Now click on user groups. So let's try to create one user group. Click on create group. Give the group name. I'll give group 1. Okay, as a group name. So from here also you can add users. Let's create group first, then I will add users manually. Scroll down, attach policies. This is also optional, so you can attach the policy from here, as well as you can attach policy later as well. So I'll not attach policies now, I'll attach policies later. Okay, click on create user group. So group is created. Now click on this group. So here also you can see users, currently there is no user, so that's why it is showing 0, and the permissions, we haven't attached any permission to that group, so that's why it is saying not defined. Okay, click on group 1. Then the add users from here. Okay, click on add user. So I have two users, right? So let me select these two users and click on add users. Now these two users are added to this group. Now let's see, click on user groups. So here you can see we have added two users. Now click on group one more time, click on permissions. Let's attach already created policies. Okay, here also you can see, as I said, you can attach up to 10 managed policies. So for one group we can attach only 10 policies, not more than that. Click on add permissions, click on attach policies. So I'll attach S3 policy here. Okay, S3 full access. Click on this, scroll down, attach policy. So one permission has been attached. See, S3 full access. Now click on user groups. So I have added permissions, then I have added users. Okay, so I have given one permission, this one, AWS S3 full access. So these permissions now attached to these users as well, because these users are part of this group. Okay, so let's see, click on users, click on demo2. So here you can see we have already provided EC2 full access to that particular user. Now here also you can see this is directly attached. We have attached this EC2 full access policy to that particular user, and this policy, S3 policy, we have attached to the group, and this user is a part of that group. So that's why here also you can see group 1 attached via group 1. So this is the group policy. So one policy is attached. Like that we can attach 9 more policies. Maximum we can attach 10 policies. Okay, so we have attached one already and 9 more we can attach. Also we have created one group. Like that we can create 300 groups. Okay, so this is the one group, and this one user, okay, suppose demo2 is one user, and this one user can be part of 10 groups. So maximum we can add this one user in 10 groups. Okay, now let's see how to create policies. So click on policies, click on create policies. So there are two ways, visual and JSON. Select service. Suppose I want to create a policy for EC2. Okay, so select service from here, EC2. Then we have to select the access level. So I want to give read policy only, okay, read permission only. So click on read action and scroll down. So currently I'll give all resources. So click on this all, then click on next. Then give policy name. I'll give my policy as a policy name. Then the scroll down, description is optional. Then this is the service we have attached and access level is full read access. Then the create policy. So I have created one policy here. Then go to the users, click on user. Then this is the demo to user. So that policy we can attach to particular user, or if group is created, then we can attach that policy to that particular group. Okay, click on permissions, click on add permissions, click on attach policies. Then search my policy here. So this is the policy. Select this policy and click on attach policy. So this policy is attached to that particular group. Okay, so now we have two policies, right? Amazon S3 full access and this my policy. This is the customer managed policy and this is the AWS managed policies. Okay, these are the already created policy. So just we have to select that policy and we have to attach. Okay, these are the customer managed. That means we have created our custom policies. Now click on users. Then select this demo to user. So here you can see that policy now attached to this user as well, because we have added that user in that group, right? So here also you can see the user is the part of this group 1. Like that, this single user can be part of 10 groups. So this is the group level policy. See, this is the group level policy and this is the user level policy. Okay, suppose you want to remove that policy, you have to just select that policy and click on this remove. So this will remove the policy from this user. Okay, now click on user groups. So like that also here also we can remove policy. Okay, suppose I want to remove policy from here, then I have to select that particular policy and click on remove. So this way we can remove that particular policy. Then if I want to remove the user, then select that user, then remove. Like that we can add users as well. Okay, now see how to delete the user groups. Click on this group, then click on delete. Then give group name. So group 1 is my group name. Paste here, then click on delete. Now this user group is deleted, right? So what is meant by user groups? Here also you can see the definition. A user group is a collection of IAM users. Okay. And suppose I want to delete policies. So here you have to search that policy. Then select that policy. Click on action. From here you can attach that policy and detach policy. Then click on delete. So like that you can delete that policy. So maximum 120 policies we can create. Okay, 120 custom policies we can create in one AWS account. Click on delete. Okay, now policy is deleted. Now let's see how to add MFA device. Okay, click on IAM, then click on my security credentials. So here is the option for the MFA, multi-factor authentication. Click on assign MFA. Here you can give the device name. Device name can be anything. I'll give my device 1 as a device name. Scroll down. So there are MFA device options. So first option is passkey or security key. Then the second option is authenticator app. And third option is hardware TOTP token. So most commonly used MFA device option is authenticator app. Select this option and click on next. Okay, so this is the authenticator app. So first we have to install authenticator app such as Google Authenticator, then the Microsoft Authenticator is there, then the Dew Mobile or any auth app on your mobile device or computer. So we have to install authenticator app from Play Store. Okay, we have to install authenticator app on mobile device. If you are using Android device, then you have to install Microsoft Authenticator or Google Authenticator from Play Store. So this is the Microsoft Authenticator. So you have to just install this Microsoft Authenticator in your mobile phone, or you can install Google Authenticator as well. After installation, just click on this show QR code and you have to scan this code from that Authenticator app. So in Authenticator app, there is one option, scan QR code. You have to click on that option and you have to scan this QR code. After scanning, you will have your account in Microsoft Authenticator app. You just have to click on that account. After that, you have to click on that already created account and you have to put MFA code. Okay, one time password code. So this is the first code. You have to wait 30 seconds more. Then again, you have to put second MFA code. Then click on add MFA. So by this way, you can add MFA device. So this is the extra layer security on your AWS account. So by using MFA, we can increase the AWS account security. Okay. And next time onwards, while you are going to sign in to your AWS account, you have to put OTP there. And if you want to remove that MFA account, then you have to just click on that MFA account and you have to click on this remove option. Okay. But don't remove MFA because MFA will provide you the additional security layer to your AWS account. So I have the concept of user groups, then the policies and the MFA is cleared now. Bye bye.